Welcome back to the director's chair. On the last episode, we reviewed your brain with the director's mindset. Today, it's time to step into the soundstage. Before you can start directing your masterpiece in VO3, you need to know where all the cameras, lights, and cables are. Plus, we need to talk about the studio executives, the AI safety guardrails. If you don't know how these filters work, you will end up with block prompts and a lot of frustration. Let's dive into the dashboard. The VO3 interface is designed to be clean, but don't let its simplicity fool you. Right in the center is your prompt box. This is your megaphone. This is where your director's mindset goes. But right below or next to it are your settings, and the most important one is your aspect ratio. You have to decide this before you prompt, because it changes how the AI frames the shot. 16:9 widescreen, this is for YouTube, short films, and that classic cinematic look. It gives you plenty of horizontal space for panning shots. 9:16 vertical, this is for TikTok, Reels, Shorts. When you use this, you need to prompt for subjects that fill vertical space, like tall buildings or a close-up of a person standing. VO3 also has natively generated audio. You'll see an option to include audio cues. This means your prompt isn't just generating visuals, it's generating the sound of rain, footsteps, or dialogue. We'll dive deeper into audio later, but keep it turned on for the full experience. Now, let's talk about the guardrails. VO3 has strict safety constraints built into it to prevent the generation of unsafe, violent, or explicit content. This is a good thing, but it can be really annoying when your completely innocent prompt gets blocked. Why does this happen? Because the AI looks for keywords that lack context. If you write a cinematic shot of a photographer shooting a model, the word shooting might trigger the violence filter. Instead, write a cinematic shot of a photographer taking pictures of a model. If you write a gorgeous blood red sunset over the ocean, the word blood might trigger the gore filter. Instead, write a gorgeous crimson sunset over the ocean. If you write a bombastic, explosive flavor commercial for hot sauce, it might trigger the weapons filter. Instead, write a dynamic, high-energy commercial for hot sauce with flying sparks. Build your director's vocabulary with safe synonyms, and you'll never hit a roadblock. Here is your exercise for today. We are going to test how aspect ratio changes the AI's composition. Step 1. Set your aspect ratio to 16:9 widescreen. Type this exact prompt: a towering, futuristic skyscraper in a neon-lit city. Slow pan upwards. Generated. Step 2. Change your aspect ratio to 9:16 vertical. Run the exact same prompt again. Watch both videos. Notice how the widescreen video struggles to fit the wall skyscraper and has to show more of the city on the sides, while the vertical video perfectly frames the tall building. Choosing your ratio changes your reality. Now you know your way around the set and how to keep the studio execs happy. On the next video, we get into the secret sauce, the 4-part prompt formula. This is the exact structure I use for every single video. See you then.